Hello again, Post and Peeps. It is day 38 of your math choice board activities, and we have some really fun choices today. So I'm going to go ahead and go over those with you. Choice number 1 says, what happens when you add 10 to a number? Explain in pictures and words and give an example. Boys and girls, this is easy peasy stuff here. I have listed a video you can look at in YouTube, 10 more or 10 less, but this is asking you what happens when you add 10 to a number. So this video is just to remind you of what that looks like. But when you add 10 to a number, you are adding 1 to the tens place, okay? So I just kind of gave you an answer, and I want you to give me an example in words or pictures, okay? Choice number 2, it says how many tens are in the number 50? How do you know? How many ones are in the number 50? How do you know? Boys and girls, I'm not going to give you the answer on this, but here is another one of those great little videos. It's place value first grade, and remember the number 1 guy that comes and kind of shows us some quick tips on our math lessons. He's back to show you and remind you about place value. That's exactly what we're talking about here. Okay, so you can watch this video on YouTube. Just type this straight into YouTube and it will come up. And I want you to think about how many tens are in the number 50? How do you know? How many ones are in the number 50? How do you know? Okay. All right, choice number 3, come up with 7 two-digit numbers. So 7 different two-digit numbers. And remember, a two-digit number looks like this right here. It has a number in the tens place and a number in the ones place. Okay, it says then use words or pictures to say how many tens and ones are in each number. Boys and girls, here is a little chart to help remind you of our place value. Okay, remember, the number on the left is the tens and the number on the right is the ones place. Okay, so you're going to come up with 7 different two-digit numbers and tell me how many ones and how many tens. So in this number 56, there are 5 tens and 6 ones. I could even draw a picture to show that. Okay. All right. Choice number 4. All right. It says Marcus has 1 dime, which is 10 cents. He then finds 7 pennies, which is 7 cents. How many cents does Marcus have in all? Boys and girls, all you are doing here is adding 10 plus 7 equals. And remember, whenever you have a 10 and you're adding it to a 1-digit number, this number becomes a teenage number. And I'm not going to write the answer because I want you to do that. But remember, that's how you should set it up, okay? And choice number 5 is your digital choice. You can go to Freckle and work for 15 to 20 minutes in the math section, or if you set up that Khan Academy, you can work there too. Boys and girls, if you are watching this video, you again get another day off from science and social studies. So you do not have to do science and social studies again today. Make sure you do your reading lesson and your math lesson, but you can take a break during that time and enjoy your family. All right. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward again to seeing this great work and you doing your absolute best.